So today I'll be reviewing my keyboard that I ordered on online. I'm not sure if it is my keyboard or not because I don't know. Okay, come with the multi-tool that I got. Okay, first one, get the knife. Yes. Let's open this up. Hey, like the button, yo, cause I'm awesome. Wow! Shoot, bro! Hey, bubble wrap, match wrap from to my Tagalog friends there. So this wrapping or this packaging is so bad, bro. I also got on eBay for pretty cheap. Oh shoot, this is actually bad. Oh, you can't see it, but okay. This is like garbage bag taped up. Oh shoot, bro. I got it as a black color. Whoa. What the frick is this, bro? So as you can see, this is boxing looks pretty damaged, but from Lokai, yeah. The box is pretty nice. It's from like Windows 7, but well, let's open this up. Let's see how it is. Because I ordered a black color. I want to see if it is black. If it's not black, I'll be mad. Ooh, okay. Oops. Comes a thank you note, probably, or yeah, probably. So as you can see, oh, it feels actually nice. And I'm gonna take this out. Oh shoot! Oh, what the frick? So it's a USB. Got this for really cheap though. Oh shoot, bro! It feels so cheap though, because it is pretty cheap. Oh yeah. Sounds it's like it's about to fall off though. Okay. It's what's it called? It is a R260, a colorful suspension type, colorful backlight keyboard from Lokai. The back is like this though. What's in my face? So frick, it shows this is designed for Windows 7 and Mac. That sounds so cheap, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'll show you when I set it up. Overall, right now how it looks, I'm not impressed right now, cause I don't like how it looks. Well, I like kind of how it looks, but I don't like how it feels, cause it doesn't feel really nice. Obviously, it's pretty cheap, but I'll show you when I set it up. Okay, guys, I have set it up. I put it left actually because I can't get the color. Here it is. From Lokai. Okay, here's my setup. Pretty bad, but let me turn on it now. Okay, now we turn on. So you can probably see it probably would turn on. Hopefully. Unless... oh, I don't think it is turning on. What? 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 Where's the lights, bro? What? What? Okay. Bear back some difficulties. So guys, let me turn on my flashlight. So I got it turn on. The lightings are not the brightest. It goes from blue, red, and yellow to green, I think. Not. Huh. Barely turns on. But it's pretty nice, I guess. Although they sound pretty sketchy. Wait, hold up. Oh, nice. Oh, wait. Oh, man. Oops. Okay, but like, it sounds really cheap though. But overall, it's pretty nice, I guess. And thank you for watching my video. And I hope you like this review. And one rule to never do: never buy anything cheap from online, especially from eBay. Okay. Yes. Thank you for watching. I said it again, but hope you like the video and subscribe. And thank you. Peace.